Is the money for Sesko coming from the money that we've earned from sales and cuts of sales so far, so that any players that we bin from here, we can then use the money for what's next? Or are we relying on what's next to finance that? And so at that point, we're really looking at what? A keeper. Because we know that Mbumo and Cunha roughly is the budget.
Mm-hmm.
And then let's assume that they more or less balance. So then there's the players that we've got cuts of income for. And yeah, I mean, take it from there.
We kind of know the balance of the Cunha breakdown. I actually think it's like, we're not accountants and it's really boring talking about accountancy all the time, but you got to think about the 5-year cost and you got to think of the structure of the payments, because that's a cash is king in football, and especially at United right now. So we know the structure of the payments for Cunha. It's in 3 things over the next 2 years. We don't know the structure of the payments from Bumo. That didn't come out. So we don't know how front-loaded it is or whether they split it evenly. That would really help the cash flow position. We do know that we've saved about 15 and a bit million on Rashford. That's partly his wages and the tax position as well. That's a payment on Sesko this year, right? And they must be confident that they will be able to sell him for something next year. They must be confident that they will get a fee for Garnacho, given that all the briefing coming out of Chelsea. But they're keen on him. It would seem so. I think they must feel they're fairly confident they could get the deal done. There's not a rush because we've gone past the 1st of July. So anything that happens, whether it's now or on the 2nd of September at the end of the window, is in the same accounting year. So they must be confident enough that they can get some deals done.